I conducted an experiment the other day. I was reading a book on psychokinesis, and what I did was I took photographs at different stages of the experiment. I wound up with 1, 2, 3 photographs. And what I was working with was, well, it was a simple spoon. So I have photographs, 3 photographs of a spoon. And it was just a simple psychokinesis experiment which involved bending the spoon. I'm sure you've seen that on a lot of magicians' acts. So I started out with a straight spoon, and what I want to do is I want to show you the other photographs. So you could see in photograph number 2, there's just the slightest bend in the spoon. You may not see it that well, but it's there. I can see it. And then photograph number 3 was the final photograph where the handle of the spoon completely bent. So, you're probably not convinced about the way that I can bend the spoon in the photographs. Well, the way that I did it was, twist a little bit, and what happened was the spoon bent. And you could see in the photograph that the spoon started to bend. So now I've got 1 bent spoon, 2 bent spoons, and then I've got the straight spoon. And what I would do normally at this point in time is I would have somebody from the audience come up, and I would tell them to put their hand out. I'd flip this over, stick it in their hand, and then I would have the 1 and the 2 that I bent. And they would still be holding the one they need to bend. And I would tell them, just look at these 2. Concentrate on those images. And what sometimes will happen if they concentrate enough, they'll get a 3rd bent spoon.